Did you know that the tomato, often mistaken for a vegetable, is actually a fruit? But there's more to this little red powerhouse than meets the eye. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in many ways. They are a great source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps fend off illnesses. Tomatoes also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. In fact, studies have shown that lycopene may help protect against prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamin A, which promotes good vision and supports the immune system. They contain potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. And the fiber in tomatoes aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Apart from their numerous health benefits, tomatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you enjoy them raw in a salad, cooked in a pasta sauce, or blended into a refreshing gazpacho, tomatoes add a burst of flavor to any dish. In fact, tomato-based dishes are a staple in many cuisines around the world. From Italian pizza margherita to Mexican salsa, tomatoes are a key ingredient in a wide range of delicious recipes. So the next time you enjoy a juicy tomato, remember the remarkable health benefits and culinary possibilities that this little fruit holds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of fruits and vegetables.